How can I make a lap desk? Are you looking for a way to create a comfortable and efficient study space? A lap desk might be just what you need. Let's talk about how you can make one that suits your needs perfectly. To start, a lap desk is a flat surface that provides stability for your work materials while resting comfortably on your lap. It usually has a cushioned base to enhance comfort. This is especially important for long study sessions. First, gather your materials. You will need a piece of wood or plywood for the top surface. A size of around 15 to 20 inches wide and 10 to 15 inches deep works well. You will also need foam or cushions for the base, fabric to cover the foam, and tools like scissors, a staple gun, and glue. If you want a foldable design, consider adding hinges. Now let's move on to the steps. Start by preparing the desktop surface. Sand the edges and surface of the wood to remove any rough spots. If you want, you can apply wood stain or paint for a polished finish. Next, create the cushion base. Cut the foam slightly smaller than the wooden top. This ensures it fits neatly underneath. You can use upholstery foam or repurpose foam from old cushions. Cover the foam with your chosen fabric, wrapping it around and securing it tightly with a staple gun or fabric glue. Once the cushion is ready, it's time to attach it to the desktop. Place the fabric-covered foam under the wooden top and secure it using strong adhesive, screws, or staples. Make sure it is firmly attached but still comfortable to rest on your legs. If you want to add some extra features, consider including a handle for easy carrying or a small ledge on the front edge to keep items from sliding off. You can also add decorative trim for a finished look. For a quick alternative, you can use a dry erase board as the desktop surface. Attach pillows or cushions to the back with fabric and staples to create a soft base. Adding rope trim around the edges can provide durability and a nice touch. When making your lap desk, keep ergonomics in mind. Ensure it is wide enough to cover your thighs for stability. The cushion thickness should be comfortable but not too thick to raise your work surface too high. Position the desk so your forearms rest comfortably on the surface without strain. By making your own lap desk, you can customize it to fit your size, style, and comfort preferences. This DIY project is not only cost-effective but also helps create a study environment that supports your focus and comfort. So gather your materials and get started on your lap desk today.